Hi everybody, this is Beachcricket, and today we're going to go to the lake, and it's going to be fun. So it's going to be a girls' day out, and me and my fellow girl campers are going to Lake Havasu and enjoy a day of fun. So we're going to take you along and let you see the beauty of this place. So stay tuned! Isn't this gorgeous? That's where we are, under those palm trees. Got a picnic table for us. People are doing some kayaking. This is really, really pretty here. Yeah, you wouldn't expect this in the middle of the desert, would you? But Lake Havasu has this beautiful lake, and it's gorgeous. You can experience a wonderful beach day. It's a beautiful sunny day too. It's gorgeous. Aren't they having fun? Isn't that great? Makes me want to be out on a kayak. I love kayaking. This is gorgeous. And there's beautiful Lori over there. And now it's lunchtime. Hey girls, this looks so delicious. Can't beat this. This is wonderful. Girls' day out. The water feels wonderful. Sitting by the seashore, well, by the lake shore, enjoying this. It's really fun. There we go.
5 feet reach. She had me sleep on her bed, and I needed to find something in that wagon to get onto that bed.
Is it fun? Looks like it is. There you go. Yeah.
Nomad girls with a mission. That's what I gotta say.
And here we are in our chairs. Of course I'm here, but we're sitting in the water having a good time. Enjoying this beautiful, beautiful day. It's just amazing. It's gorgeous. Now this is so amazing. Right next to the beautiful Lake Havasu Lake, they have this skateboard, and you know, you can do your rollerblading, all that right here. They have a little park right here for that. That's so cool. It's beautiful. The lake is really big too. There's somebody there doing jet skiing. It's so pretty. The water is real blue and green. Looks like he's doing some kind of course out here. See how beautiful the mountains look? This is just so fantastic. Somebody sailing over there. Yep, this is great. So I'm having a great time out here, enjoying the wonderful Lake Havasu, and with my friends. This is Girl Day. We are swimming. Well, I haven't actually swam. I've just been wading in the in the lake. It's just great. So it's a good time today. Just thought I'd show you what some of us nomads do as we travel around in all the different places that we go, and just make it as fun as you can. And it's great sharing it with each other. So you guys wake up and live, have your adventures, get out there. It's your life. Nomad life rocks. Bye. Beachcricket out.